Are you planning on buying a home in 2025 but don't know where to start? The very first step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage, and without it, you can waste weeks searching for homes you can't even afford. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole exact process of getting pre-approved, explain why it's important, and share a few mistakes that can cost you thousands if you're not careful. Hey, my name is Daniel. I'm a mortgage loan officer here based out of Miami, and I help buyers across Florida get into their homes with confidence. If you're thinking about buying, make sure to hit subscribe because every week I share tips and help you save money and avoid mistakes and buy smarter. So let's get into the step-by-step process of getting pre-approved. Step one, talk with a lender. A quick conversation helps us figure out exactly where you stand. Your lender should be actively asking you questions and engaging with you, not just about the loan itself, but about your goals and who you are as a client, so they can truly understand your bigger picture. Step two, provide your documents, things like pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, and a valid ID. Be prepared with all your documentation up front to keep the process running as smoothly as possible. If anything else is needed, your lender will let you know. Step three, run your credit score and review your debt to income ratio. This step can feel a little intimidating since all we want is to protect our credit, but it's an important part of the process. It ensures that we have the full picture of your finances and can secure the best rate for you. Step four, you get your pre-approval letter. That's your golden ticket when you go shopping for a home. Sellers will take your offer seriously. Now, here are three common mistakes I see all the time. You want to avoid others whenever you're getting it pre-approved. Opening a new line of credit or financing a car when in the process of getting pre-approved. Don't do that. Changing jobs right in the middle of buying a home, and also thinking you need 20% down in order to qualify to buy. So if you're here in Florida or thinking about moving and you'd like me to personally walk you through the options, there's a link below for a 15-minute mortgage consultation. Hope to hear from you soon.